You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say this word? Well, I did quite a lot of research and couldn't find the definite answer, but I've got some interesting findings for you. The index is based in Madrid, Spain. It was created in Spain as well, and it seems in Spanish they say it as
SCImago.
SCImago.
El indicador SCImago.
You've heard it. It seems that in Spanish they say it as SCImago, okay? And I think quite a lot of people say it as SCImago as well. In English, I guess it would be like science, okay? Science is also spelled SCI at the beginning, and you don't say science, or you say science, okay? So SCImago makes sense. Seems that's how they say it in Spain as well, but many people say it as SCImago as well, because it's based on the scopus, okay? SCOPUS is pronounced scopus. But scopus is SCO, and SC before an O would be a sk sound, but SCI, SC before an I is more likely to be C, especially in Spanish. So SCImago in Spanish, I think SCImago makes a little more sense than SCImago, because again, a C before an I in Spanish or French or Italian, well, no, Italian is different. A C before an I in French or Spanish especially is a S sound, not a K sound. So I think SCImago. SCImago, what do you think? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.